A French manufacturer for over 50 years, ManOrga accompanies you in the development of storage solutions. With more than 250 employees and 2 production sites located in Hauts-de-France, North France, we produce 12 kilometers of shelving, 800 meters of mezzanine floors, and transform 80 tons of steel every day. In France and abroad, we are known for our knowledge and high-quality products. Located in the heart of Europe, we work closely by your side in over 25 countries. We offer a complete range of shelving, industrial partitions and mezzanine floors that adapts to each need and environment for an efficient layout of all your spaces, both standard and specific. Our products are used in many areas, such as industry, automotive, tertiary, or even sales areas. The values that drive us and define our DNA include passion, striving for perfection, honesty and trust. Responsible for our social and environmental impact, we are committed to optimizing our ecosystem, from the choice of our suppliers to recycling to the well-being of employees and so on. ManOrga has outstanding departments which are composed of experts. R&D, Design and Calculation Department, Production, Quality, Logistics, IT, Marketing, Trade, and Customer Relations. Working with us means relying on our effectiveness and efficiency, with products in stock, the ability to ship within 24 hours, drop delivery, customer-friendly processes, and easy order management. Finally, benefit from our digital tools, product sheets, image bank, assembly videos, not to mention our online perspective configurator, which will enable you to make your own requests for projects anytime, anywhere.
Merci de votre confiance.
Merci. Merci.
Merci.
Merci. Merci. Merci.
Every space has its own storage and layout needs. We offer you the most complete product range to equip them. For you, ManOrga is constantly innovating.